Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about adding your website link to your TikTok profile. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit Profile button on your profile. Just go ahead and select that. And then where it says bio, click inside of here. And you can copy and paste your URL to your website into here and select save. Alternatively, if you went under links and you selected that option, you can select the website option in here. Just go ahead and left click on that and then copy and paste your website URL directly into here. And then you would select save. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.